Anderson Roofing. We're a family-owned and operated company, which is why we will treat you like a member of our family. More than 85% of our customers refer us to friends and family because we are dependable, honest, and with our free estimates and competitive pricing, we follow through with what we say. But what's the first step in replacing your roof? In this video, we will quickly take you through the 3-step process with Anderson Roofing and Atlas Shingles. At Anderson Roofing, we built our reputation on timely, reliable service. So when you call for an estimate, we can use satellite views in real time to determine the size and scope of the job while you're on the phone with us. The average residential job is typically completed within a 24 to 48-hour period once the estimate is approved. But you'll want to meet with and know the people working on your home, which is why a team member from Anderson Roofing will come to you and make sure you're taken care of like family. So after you've met with the family and finalized the estimate, what's the next step?
When I've met with the homeowner originally, I've given them a couple choices on what type of product that they would want to use.
Okay.
And I'll show you a couple of those. You've got just your standard Pinnacle Pristine shingle. You've got some variation of color on here. They would have to choose the type of shingle and the color that they wanted to put on the roof. Okay. I'll show you the other. This particular shingle is called a Storm Master. From the curb, they're going to look exactly the same. With these, you get some discounts with insurance,
nice.
Typically about 10 to 15%, and you get some impact rating from hail. So with the amount of storms that we've had, a lot of people are opting for this, and insurance is paying a premium for those to be installed.
Atlas shingles are the color of clean and come with Scotchgard protection, which is non-streaking, durable, and will make your home beautiful. There are a lot of options when choosing a new shingle. Dave, what makes Atlas the brand to go with?
Two easiest things to cover is probably their wind rating. You've got up to 130 mile an hour wind rating with the shingles. And the other thing is they've got Scotchgard. It's called the non-streak brand, or the color of clean. And they've got more copper granulation than most other brands. And that's what helps prevent that streaking. Those are the two attributes that they have that kind of stand apart from others.
Step 2 is the removal and disposal of your old roof. Anderson Roofing will collect all the old shingles and safely remove the roof, down to the decking, protecting your property and your home. It typically takes 4 hours to remove the roof, and if the decking is damaged, we'll replace and fix as needed.
We don't just cover things up. We've got a 5-year material and labor warranty that we back. It means if anything goes wrong, any shingles blow off, we take care of that. And that doesn't include the factory-backed warranty from Atlas Building Products.
Next, we begin the installation of your new shingles. An Anderson Roofing team member will come out to inspect the work while the install is in progress and when the install is completed. We're now joined by Chris Baumgart. The next step is to install the roof, but you guys start with an ice water shield. Why is that so important?
Ice and water shield is actually a city code item in which we use to install around the perimeter edge of the roof. And that ensures that water doesn't infiltrate the house during the freezing thawing period. It's really a redundant system after we overlay our shingles, and that helps prevent water from getting anywhere in the home. So next we're going to install our felt. This felt gets overlapped on top of the ice and water shield. Every surface from there out is going to be covered in the felt. After your felt is installed, we're going to move to our metal goods. You have a D-style metal here. It's going to be used for wind-driven rain. It prevents it from coming into the roof, as well as a gutter apron on the bottom edge here, which you can't see because of our shingles. After we have our metal goods on, we're going to go ahead and start a starter strip. This kind of gets into Atlas's 130 mile an hour wind rating. It allows the bottom side of these shingles to seal on that first row. Once that is all put along the perimeter side, we're going to start laying our shingles out. Our shingles will get started in a stair-step manner so that you don't have any water infiltrating the joints. We'll continue this process all the way up into the top of the roof until your roof is complete.
Upon completion, the invoice for the job is turned into Atlas so that your roof is registered and you get a factory-backed warranty from Atlas, in addition to the warranty from Anderson Roofing. Honest, dependable, and affordable. The Anderson Roofing family will follow through with what we say with the work we proudly do. Call now for a free estimate on your commercial or residential project with Anderson Roofing and Atlas Platinum Pro.